off idle very nicely. Turn the idle up just a little bit. There we go. Gotta check the oil now. It's kind of noisy because we're running without mufflers. We'll put the stalkers on here pretty quick. We're running on the remote test stamp, the tank up on the ICU unit. I think it sounds great. Let's see if the kill switch works. Ah, the kill switch even works. It does, yeah, this is kill switch. And it actually works. It's very nice. Okay, so what we did there is we got the bike running, and I'm very happy with the way it's running. So that means it's worth going ahead and doing all the rest of the repairs that we've bought parts for. If we could never get it running, then there'd be no sense in spending the money. So the bike runs, revs, idles, sounds really good. Loud without mufflers, but we'll put the stalkers on there. I've got the electrical system about 90% pure. The only thing that's not working right now is turn signals, and I'll work on that in a few minutes. And basically the bike looks really nice and coming along well. And probably in the next 3 or 4 or 5 days, we'll get the wheels rebuilt, we'll get the brakes rebuilt, we'll get all of the stuff that we bought installed, and you'll have a rider that is a patina restoration, which means you can take it to a local cafe and people will ask, well, where'd you get that? Looks like it just came out of a barn. And you can say, yeah, it did. All I did was put gas in it and a battery. It started right up and it's great, and basically blow their minds. So I'm real pleased with it. It's looking good so far. And we'll go ahead and start working on the last of the electrical system. I think the problem with the turn signals is probably inside the headlight here where I'm working. And all in all, looking really, really good.